Let's go live to Mumbai where our correspondent Vidya joins us now. Vidya, from all these images, all this video footage that we've been putting out here on headlines today, it appears that Mumbaikars have had an absolutely hellish day today.
Completely. And in fact, if you look at it, I'm standing at one of the low-lying areas, which is Sahar village, which is right next to the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai. And this is one of the villages, it's one of the old villages, and it still does not have a drainage system. Can you believe it? Right in the middle of the city, it doesn't have a drainage system. We'll speak to some of the people here and ask them, what are the problems that you face in these low-lying areas? What was the level of water that had filled up yesterday?
Yes, yesterday it was knee-deep water in the whole of my village because my area is totally low-lying, and in the world, Sahar Airport as Sahar village is in the international map of the world, but I don't know why Sahar village doesn't have a drainage system. We are honest taxpayer. Before the existence of corporation till today, we are paying taxes, but we don't have a drainage system. All our drainage system water.
You had also called up people. There were a lot of trees that had fallen here, and in spite of that, you did not. You called up people. Was there any response that you got from the BMC?
Today, I have called up 108 disaster management for 6 trees in my village which have been fallen down and they are lying on the roof of people. Till now, not a single officer, nor from the K East Ward, nor from the disaster management department has visited us. This is really unethical on the part of BMC.
Well, Shiv, as you can hear, these are the calls, desperate calls that people from here had made to the 108, which is the disaster management helpline number, where immediate response is to be given in case these people face any problem. The roads were blocked because of the trees, but no one came to cut them. These people themselves had to cut these trees to pave way for the entire road, for people to get out of this village.
Vidya, that was a very honest expression by a hard-working Mumbaikar about how their taxpayers' money isn't really helping at all, considering their villages get flooded year after year with absolutely no work done. But I want you to ask some of those people about the fact that this is just the beginning of the monsoon. Things are only going to get worse and worse. How are they prepared for it now?
Well, I'll just speak to some of these people here, ma'am. The rains have just begun. How do you look forward to the rains? Are you preparing in any way for, since the city administration it seems to be keeping mum on this entirely?
We were very anxious for the rain. We were waiting for the rain as there was this year a lot of temperature and heat, and the electric bills had to go very up. And all that we were facing, we were very happy once the rain came. But when the rain came last night, there was a lot of wind, which ripped my house and the patras flew away, and somebody else patra came on my roof and broke the patra, and we were in the sleep, and that we came to know early in the morning. But by the time the rain had come in the house and all the mess we saw, we could not do anything.
So how are you planning to do? What next would you do when when heavy rains are lashing the city? What would you do?
Now we will do the damage what is happened. We will have to repair it on our own expense, and that is the disaster we felt.
So Shiv, obviously, pathetic plight of people here whose homes were broken down, who had to face a lot of problems because of the first few rains that had hit the city.
You couldn't get a more gritty manifestation of the pain of Mumbaikars there. You heard that lady talking there that Vidya was speaking to, who said that her house was damaged because of the rain and they have no idea what they're going to do. That's really the gritty part about this entire thing. Vidya, stay with us. We want to talk to you a little bit more.